Hello, and welcome to Vinchin. In this video, you will learn how to create backup and restore jobs for Exchange Server in Vinchin Backup and Recovery. To backup Exchange Server agent based, you need to add the organization first. Just click Resources, M365 Organizations. Click Add. Choose the authentication method. Enter the authentication parameters of the organization. Click OK. Click Synchronize. Go to Application Backup, M365 Backup. Select the Exchange Server to backup. Select the backup storage for it. Select the backup strategies. You can select full backup, incremental backup, and set up schedules for them. Also, there are other useful strategies like data compression, retention policy, In transmission strategies, we have network retry configurations of attempts and interval. In advanced strategy have backup job retry configurations. Just submit the job. Let's start the job. Now the backup job is finished. Let's check the backup data. The backup has been created successfully. When we need to restore the Exchange server, go to Restore. Just select the recovery point. Enter the authentication of it. Add the user or email to shopping cart. Select the target organization. Recovery method. Select strategies or directly click Next. Submit the job. Now the restore job begins. Now the restore job complete, you can check your restore email in your email box. It has been restored successfully. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.